Soul Food Sunday. All right, you guys. Granny and I are going to show you guys how to kick up your lemon bars.
Yes, we are.
And the recipe is shared in our Just Desserts Child Momma Souk kitchen cookbook that's available on Amazon.
All right, everybody. We are back to Soul Food Sunday with Cooking with Granny and Momma Souk kitchen. And here we are. Look at this. See, the edges were starting to brown over there. That's when we go ahead and take it out. And then we're going to let it set and cool off, okay? That's the best thing to do. Now, you can also put it in the refrigerator, but I rather do room temperature first and then put it in the refrigerator. I don't want it to thaw out my stuff in the refrigerator and all that stuff, so I'm gonna wait for a while. And what I usually do when this comes out the oven as well, I sprinkle some fresh lemon juice on top of that. Okay, I like the twang. When I usually make this for the church, the ladies say, what is in this so good? Why is it so popping with flavor? I tell them because it's my secret, and this is what I do. I add extra lemon juice on top. I ain't tell them that. They want to come to my YouTube channel and see this, okay? See if they're paying attention. Grandmother. I'm serious. Okay, so anyway, so I add lemon juice. And just, now we're going to let this sit and cool off. That looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to try this. And I usually put a little powdered sugar on top. If you want a little sweeter, taste to that, you can put, white sugar flour on there. Powdered sugar. I don't really go for that because I'm trying to cut down my sugar. But let me tell you, there's another secret you can use also instead of powdered sugar. You ever thought about using Kool-Aid lemonade? What? Yes, Kool-Aid lemonade. You got to mix that in with just a little dab of sugar. Not much, but you're going to let it take over. Just sprinkle it lightly over there. Wow, Grandma, that sounds like a powerful flavor. And I'm telling you, flavor. It's about flavor, everybody, in your foods. You know what I'm saying? Doing what people talking about you at the church. So anyway, we're going to come back when this is nice and cool and cut. And stay tuned.
The cookbook is now available on Amazon.com and Just Desserts Child Momma Souk Kitchen. Make sure you get your copy for the holidays. And you know what? If you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe below. And make sure you hit that notification bell.